This is Jane again. Ang stressful niyong anawong. Char lang. So welcome to Thailand and welcome to my house. Char, I wish. So let's come in. So na siya gate, as you can see. Na siya mga sagbot, char lang, mga tanom, bulak, may bike, and bababa. Ang pinaka-paborito nako sa tanan kay daghan og sili. Ang paborito nako sa tanan. Kay daghan og sili diri ah. Anyways, daghan sili. Anyways, magsakat gamit ang hagdanan. Step up, up, up. Tadan! Oops! And I have my friends here. His name is Ryan. Hi, Ry! What's up? What's up?
What's up, bro?
Okay, and we used to eat here. I mean, yeah, that's our dining area, even though it's not. And welcome to so, din na si Ryan. Ryan? Carlo din. Sorry. Carlo Agassi? Carlo Martinez. Okay, na siya alagang pet. Cat. What's the name of this cat?
Monkey.
Monkey? No, it's Moon. So, you got here this big table, big heavy table, and it has a room inside. One room, a restroom, there's a fridge that has full of food, and a washing machine, and another bedroom. Boop. And then the kitchen. Let's go down. And at the moment, I'm cooking ginagmay. Holy shoot. Okay, so well, I love to cook a lot. So right now, our dinner is ginagmay. It is pork, carrots, and potatoes that are cut in dice, and then I'm gonna put some tomato sauce after this when these vegetables are softened. Okay, hang on. And then yeah, that's it. And yeah, so dirty kitchen, sink, you know that, bygone katol. Woohoo! And then a lot of plants here, and this is my favorite, chili, the best. And then yep, again, let's go back here. Remember, you saw me running here. Oh, that's Ryan, and that's Carl, and that's my bike, and that's the cat. And there's a big garage here, and then there's like this, I don't know what does it called, but anyways, the house and plants. Ooh, my favorite thing, malunggay. What's the English term of this? Moringa comera kumobobo. It's moringa something kimiling. Anyways, yep, I love this. We used to cook this a lot, and there's more there. And then there are some fruits. Fruit trees that doesn't have fruits yet. And then what else? This is it. So yes, we live here. There's no air conditioner, but there's a fan. It's not that hot. Plastikan. And there are so many papaya trees, papaya fruits here that we can easily get and then cook. And that's it. It's amazing, right? And thank you. Goodbye. Mwah.